Sara and her dog. Sara had a white dog. The dog's name was Max. Max was very friendly. Sara and Max played every day. They played in the garden. Sara threw a blue ball. Max ran and caught the ball. Then Max brought the ball back. Sara patted Max on the head. Max wagged his tail. Sara gave Max water. Max drank the water. Sara sat under a big tree. Max lay down next to Sara. Sara read a book. Max slept near her feet. Sara smiled at Max. Max opened one eye and looked at Sara. They were best friends. Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. What color was the dog? The dog was white. What was the dog's name? The dog's name was Max. Was Max friendly or mean? Max was very friendly. Where did Sara and Max play? They played in the garden. What color was the ball? The ball was blue. Did Max catch the ball? Yes, Max caught the ball. What did Sara give to Max? Sara gave Max water. Where did Sara sit? Sara sat under a big tree. Did Max sleep near Sara's feet or far away? Max slept near Sara's feet. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.